So I'm out for dinner. I'm going to try some nice no-cold pizza first, and then I'm going to have some more beef. I think I'm going back to the place I had the other night. It's pretty delicious. I don't think I can have the same level of. I don't think I can have that in China. So before I go, of course, I'm gonna go again. Okay, now I'm looking for the Fab Cafe. According to the map, it's pretty close to the pizza place. I just have my dinner there, and then I look at the map. It seems pretty close, so I'm going to take a look. It seems like I have arrived at the Fab Cafe. Not Fab Cafe, it's Fab Cafe. So I'm filming from the outside. Seems like some people are working in there. Looks like they have some machine tools and they have the PowerPoint. So I'm gonna just go in and take a look. I don't think I should drink coffee at night. Okay. This place. Let's see if I want to buy anything. I would buy a bag of cookies. Oh. This seems weird just to come in and not buy anything. So I think I should fill them instead of me. So their name is Fab Cafe, of course. They make cafe. Coffee, they make coffee, but they do have some tools for people to use, like the laser cutter. They're using Speedy 360 Pro Tag. So this is what they do. Laser cut before using the acrylic material. Here are some earrings, some characters. Okay, that's it. I didn't see any 3D printers, but they do have the laser cutters and stuff. So I'm leaving. I'm heading over to the B place, but I figure it's worth a look at. I always want to check out Fab Cafe.